What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a VR game. It's pretty simple. So yeah, you're just gonna want to go ahead and download Unity Engine. Then once you download Unity Engine, you're just gonna search it up on your Google Chrome. Then once you did that, follow like a simple tutorial on how to set up Unity. Or I'll just tell you right now, if you guys are like, okay, so I'll just tell you right now. So first, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and open Unity. I can't open it up because it won't only let me record on this. So you're just gonna go ahead and open up Unity. Click click install editor, and look for the 2022 one. Install that and make sure you're like enable the Android thing because you need that. Then once you did that, just go ahead, click create projects. Then use the 2022 one. Like there should be like, if you go on the left, you should see like a little thing that has like the versions. Click that and just click create project. Or you should you could name your project and you just put in. So yeah. Um yeah, so um if that didn't really help, just go ahead and go to another tutorial and see how to go to to set up your project. I'm gonna show you guys no more yapping. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a VR game. So here we go. Or Gorilla Tag fan game. So once you get in your project, then once you're in your project, go to edit, go to project settings, go down to XR plugins management, and install it. Once installed, sorry if I'm being fast, by the way. Go to just click yes on XR, open XR. It will click yes when when a message pops up. Just automatically click yes. If you click no, I don't think anybody will be able to access your game. So just go ahead, click yes, and restart your thing. Just join back. Restart your thing. It'll rejoin you into you reconnect you into Unity. So yeah. Then once you installed that, you're gonna go ahead and go to Android. This is the part where I told you we need Android. Then we're gonna click XR. Open XR. Then because yeah, so don't click any other things. Just click that. And if you see all of these should be Open XR. Then you're gonna go to OpenXR here. You're gonna click this. You're gonna go to PC. Make sure on PC. Click multipass. And then sorry about the voice crack right there. Valid index control profile. Just click the plus on valid index control profile. Then Oculus touch control profile. Then you go to Android. Go to multipass and do Oculus touch controls. I wouldn't recommend doing anything else because it's just bad. Oh wait. It's alright, touch controls. Then once you did that, you're done with the OpenXR, and then you're basically done with like this whole thing here. Also, guys, I think like I'm pretty sure you click Google AR Core. I think I'm just gonna go and click it because you don't want to risk anything, so just go ahead and click it. You have this. You don't have to do anything here. So yeah, once you did that, you should be done with this part. Go ahead and X out. Go to Window. Go to Package Manager. Click this little plus right here. Go to add package from get URL. Then you're gonna you guys gotta really pay attention. So you're gonna search up com.unity.xr.interaction toolkit. And you're not gonna wanna, like, if you misspell this, I th- I think I remember, I think it's this that you're supposed to do. Interaction URL. I think you're supposed to type this. I'm just gonna click add, and you click add. All right, and then once you see this, that means that it actually worked. Just gonna go ahead and wait a little. Oh, okay, and you should see this install. So, okay, so once you did that, just gonna go ahead and click XR plugin management. Go to samples. Oh, wait. Sorry, not XR plugins management. Go to XR Interaction Toolkit, the one that you just downloaded or installed, and you're gonna go to samples, click starter assets. And you might see a bunch of these errors. Don't worry, guys. These don't matter. These don't matter. Yep. Okay. So you should be good. If this appears, just go ahead and click fix. It might keep on popping up like this. That's because you need to download something. Okay, you're just gonna. It might give you a bunch of other errors. Because the errors don't matter. They're like technically useless. So yeah, it's okay if you get a bunch of errors. Just don't. I mean, you can read whatever it says. It's just, just wait for it. Alright, so you might see this. To fix the error, click exit. Then you're gonna go to Unity registry. Do text mesh pro. Click update to 3.9, 3.09.9, holy 3.0.9 there, and then click edit. Click import TM that. Click TM, import TM examples and extras. So, and then it should download. You click X, and as you guys can see, that no more errors, gone. Click X. And basically what Text Mesh Pro is, it's actually useful. It's a text. It's like it installs this. Hi. And this. Alright, yeah, you guys should definitely do that. Yeah. Alright, anyways, so once you did that, you're gonna see this. You're gonna go to if you don't see that, if you don't see starter asset, you're just gonna go to examples, XR interaction toolkit, 3.5.0. Click it, starter asset, this. You're gonna see a bunch of these. You're gonna wanna click on any one. Click add. Just do that for all of them. Like that. Just like this. So once you did that, yeah, you're basically done with, like, I think with everything. Now you guys could take a break. You don't need to do any more file digging or stuff. Now we're gonna go back to the Gorilla Rig. Click import package, custom package. You won't be able to see my files. we're just gonna go ahead and scroll down until you see Gorilla. Oh, locomotion. It should be Gorilla locomotion. Just click that, click import, and then click. Don't click this import. Click import, and then it'll show this import Unity package. Click all. Click import. So once you import it, it might see this. Still reload. But yeah, you're just gonna delete your camera again. Then, you're just gonna go ahead and click resources, Gorilla, what was it? Gorilla prefabs. Drag in the Gorilla rig, and here is the Gorilla rig thingy. And, is this the Gorilla thingy mabobby, whatever you call it? And then you go, and then you do, and now you could finally make your map. You can do it anyway. Just go ahead and make a cube. If you don't know how to make a cube, just go ahead and click over here. Click this. Click 3D object and pick anyone. I recommend a cube, or actually, I do recommend a plane. But I'm just gonna do. Let me show you guys what a plane is. So if you go here, you see plane. It's basically a flat surface with no bottom. I recommend a plane. I mean, well, for new people, I probably recommend cubes, because when it comes to plane and new people, it doesn't match up. When I was new to Unity, it was just okay. It wasn't that good. So then once you import, you basically have your game. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make a map and how to do some stuff. So go to assets, go to create, go to folder, then just gonna go ahead and do search up whatever you want to call the folder. I'm gonna call it materials. Materials. Then once you created the folder, just go in it. Click new asset, import new asset. Then this is optional. If you want to create if you want to put an image for like your thing, like you know how Gorilla Tag has grass texture. I'm just gonna show you a simple way. Click create, click material, name that whatever color you want. I'll do for fact red. Hope I spelt that wrong. What is wrong with me? Red. Then you're gonna go over here to the right, and you wanna smoothen it down to 0. Click this, make it red. So once you did that, you could go ahead and drag this onto this, and there it is, it's a red. Or I'll show you guys how to put on materials. Click import new asset, and you're gonna wanna download you're gonna download a material from the internet. And then you're just gonna go ahead and make sure you put it in downloads, not a gallery. So once you did that, you're just gonna wanna go and it's kind of like the same as the Gorilla locomotion, but instead it's not the import package. It's import that you get it. So for this I have bark. So basically it's this little wood texture. If we drag it on, here it is. You might be wondering, why does it look so ugly and blurry? I'll show you guys how to fix that. So yeah, basically, once you drag the texture onto this little cube, you're gonna click material, and you'll see this is basically this, but kind of like the red thing. I don't know. You're just gonna go ahead and go here and make it smooth. So it's not shiny anymore. If you put it back to smooth, you know it's get shiny, so you know how it is. And this just makes it darker. I don't know why you want that, but it's alright. Then you're just gonna go ahead and go back to materials, the material folder that I made. Click on bark. No, don't actually, yeah, click on it. Then go here, do this. I recommend I don't really recommend 64. I recommend 100, 128 to 512. I recommend 128. Then click the linear, click point, no filter, click apply, and it gives this little blockiness to the thingy, to like the material. And in my opinion, it actually looks good. If you do 64, kind of looks like this, but if you do 32, that's okay. We don't want that. It looks like dirt from Animal Company. Kid. All right. And you might be wondering, also, before I do my next, before you guys might be wondering, can I help you guys with the Gorilla Player model? Well, that's in my next tutorial. For now, I recommend you just leave a project alone until I make the video, or you could just go ahead and watch another tutorial. So yeah, go ahead and click on materials. This is optional. Click go and bark and put it on thing hand, so it makes it like block barky. Oh, you could do this for any material, by the way. You could put I just have bark. So yeah, and to test that actually works, you're just gonna go up and click play. Then once you play, click scene. Then click I'm just gonna go ahead click I'm just gonna show you guys how it works, that you can move around with it. Also if you click console, you can those arrows are kinda like the arrows that we did with earlier, except they don't do anything. Some arrows actually like make you don't play, like it won't let you play the game because it's broken, but my player model is gone. I fell off the map. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I think that's the end. I think this is the end of the video. If you guys want more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe. I need that subscribers. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.